well, what can I say? It's so freaking. I'm so freaking excited to come to San Francisco and do all of this live in person. I'm so excited. Like I'm learning so much.
So this is an experience of a lifetime for me, and I've learned so much. So I say my takeaway is already been said in the beginning when I said I just need to know my own truth, so that when I'm saying it, there's no shame.
All right. So first of all, I'm super excited to see you all in Francisco. That's gonna be awesome. And then my biggest takeaway, when I'm confident and I ask directly for what I want, I get it. So I need to be more confident.
Yes.
And you're helping me do that. So I'm super grateful.
Fantastic. Fantastic.
And it made things much more clear actually. Those simple, fast questions. Thank you. It's amazing to see the options and possibilities that there are in.
I know. I'm like, hey,
Amazing.
fantastic.
It was very practical. So I thought it was a really good exercise to see just what that person feels like when they're being faced with this.
For that, I'm a facilitator. I don't want to take all the credits. So those are one of the things you will learn is like, how do you tell people about what you do, which is really weird. If you're working with your intuition, if you're working with spirituality, how do you sell that? So that's what you're going to learn. I love. Perfect.